Yo guys, your Game Studio is here. Welcome to United Review number 5. So, in the earliest episode, that's the end of the month. Here are the month award. Keeper of the month, De Gea. Defender of the month, Talent Blin. Midfielder of the month, Paul Pogba. Striker of the month, Lukaku. And Young Player of the month, Anthony Martial. So let's get straight in that matchup. So we're up against Chelsea. This is hard. I think Herrera should have a start. Felipe Anderson go up instead of Roshan William. Herrera is in. Anderson is in. Match is ready. Let's bang it in. Okay. So Chelsea still rocket that 3-2-2-2-1. We got Varane at the back. They don't have William. Be surprised. Oh, Chelsea don't freak it out here. Because they have Martial. I mean, stupid foul from Courtois and Lukaku slot that. There's this one, Felipe Anderson. Here is Anderson with that shot, but Courtois saves. Firmino. That's Lukaku again. Well, 2-0. Pogba with the second. And bang, Herrera. We actually dominated Chelsea. Quite surprised. Nice debut, Anderson. It's time for Leon Goretzka. Nice job, Herrera. Sit back and enjoy your second half. I think we're gonna smash Chelsea. 3-0 soon enough to smash them. I think we shouldn't bring Zlatan in, even he's a god. What? Go time in the match? Who cares? Anderson got his assist debut. So we're going straight into the next game. What is it? Swanners. Interesting. Look at Martial and Leon Goretzka. The starter of this game. Anderson is an assist from Anderson. 2 assists. An interesting camp. Anderson, Mickey Anderson, Lukaku. My god, these two are huge contenders. So 2-0 is easy. So I'm gonna take off Damian, bringing on Ashley Young, take off Lukaku, taking on Ibra, and taking off Mickey, bringing on Carriage. Let's go. There's some Martial. Yeah, that's somewhere. Sorry, that's my dad. Anderson, North Face middle saves. Okay, we win. Yeah. Mình nghĩ là keep it in here. So be sure to vote for man of the match. It's either Anderson or Lukaku. Bye bye.